Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Good, and you?
I'm also good. My name is Anjali and my partner name is Shivani, and today we are going to play pair debate in which I am in the favor of government school and she is in the favor of private school. So let's start the game.
Okay, so a very good afternoon to all of you. So as today I am supported of the private school, so I will just try to find out like yes how private school is better than the government school. So first of all I will give you the some of the point of it. That first thing is that a basic education which has given by a good education from the private sector, because in the private schools they're giving so many basic knowledge, because for the kids the basic requirements of the teaching of level it is very good. And if I give you the another example, the hygienic thing, because if I give you the example in the government school they are not doing a very good studies and their teachers are not well, but in the private schools their teacher is well educated because they know that yes how to teach the student. And the second thing is that the manner of the private student is better than the government students, because I know I have heard about and I have saw so many times like yes the student of the government they really don't know that how to behave with the teachers and how to behave with the manners. So this is the thing that I want to know about that. And what's your point of view on that?
Okay, so ma'am, as I'm in the favor of the government school, that it is more better than the private school because of many reasons. Firstly, I will go with the education. Yeah, previous time it was not good, but as we are developing, we are changing our education system. As we know, we all are living in India. There are two type of people who are living: the poor people and the rich people. Means the poor people are not able to afford the private school study. That's why they send their students in the government school, and in the government school they get each and everything. They are getting the midday meal facility, they are getting the education also, and they are also getting the uniform fees. I have completed my study from the government school, but in the government school every year they get the fees of their uniform as well as for the books. And it is a good thing, from nursery to 8th class they are getting the free books. They don't need to purchase any book from outside. And about our education minister, which is Dharmendra Pradhan, recently he has taken the step of new education policy. In the new education policy most of the things are related to the government school, so that we can develop more the government school. Now it is very embarrassed to say that the government school are not better than the private schools.
Okay ma'am, so as you were talking about that how government schools is better than, and as you have given the example of midday meal, so I just want to find out that there is so many mistake in the midday meal, because I was also completed my schooling from the government school, but I have never taken midday meal, because I know that how they cook that, because there is no hygienic things. Because I know that when the midday meal person coming in our schools and when they distribute, the way of distribution it was very incorrect, it was very unhygienic, because the majority of those who are taking education in the private school, I think the best food is, because in our school the basic thing is that health. If you are having a very good health, so you can try to best in your education system and you can take anything whatever you want to take. So the thing is that, and as you are mentioning about that book system, they are always providing the free books. Maybe yes they are providing very free books, but how it will take a long time. Half syllabus is already completed and then they will provide the books. So I don't think so this is very good thing that yes you have completed your whole half of the course but you don't get the books. So the thing is that because in the private sector, in the private schools, you can get from the beginning and you can try to understand all of the notes, because in the government schools they not provide any notes and the good knowledge. So this is my point of view on it.
Okay, so ma'am, as you are talking about the hygienic, that the hygienic is not that much good in the government school, but as I have seen, there are many students who are studying in government school, they are taking the strict action. Means the teachers who always take care of their student, they always check the nails, they always check the dresses and the student hair, that how they are making their hair. These are the things which is always check in our school, in the government school. And about the means, that in the private school it is very easy to get the job, because the person who is clearing their job, who is getting the graduation, directly going to the private school to get the job, and it is very easy to get the job. But in the government school it is very hard to get the job. For that you have to be graduate, you have to get some specific degree. After that you can get the degree. It's not a cup of tea. Means the teacher who get the government job, they are really doing a struggle for getting that post, and after that they always sacrifice their thing, they always give their time to the student, because you know the things, the people who always get the job in the government sector, they always free, means yeah, now they have get the thing, now they don't need to do any hard work, they just get the money. But in the schools, teacher always focus on the student. As I've cleared my 12th from the government school, so teacher always focus on us, especially the principal. She always give to motivational speech to the students, so they get motivates. And about the teacher, the curriculum activities, extracurriculum activities, everything is teach in the government school. And even you know that in the games period, different kinds of competition are organized as compared to the private school. In the private school, everything is same which we are getting in the government school. There is nothing which we can say yeah, it is different, so it is bad to do comparison.
Okay, ma'am. So as you were talking about the teaching line, that those who are sacrifice their life to become as a government teacher, but I don't think so that after completed their whole study, they always try to give the time towards the student, because I never get that too much time, because when I was in school, so there was a whole period I was just wasting, because there was no teacher available. They're just wasting their time in their office, they're just always trying to talking to each other. They never spend their time towards the teachers, because towards the student, because I have assumed that. And as you were talking about, like, yes, in the private school the fee system is so I can say that in the private sector, in the private schools, the thing is that curriculum extra things, it is a bit must, because I have seen in the government school there is no extra curriculum. I know that yes, there was a one computer room and student never have seen in that room. So the thing is that, and yes, private school always provide the smart classes, and everybody know about, like, yes, smart classes is very must to enhance the knowledge of the technology. Everyone is know about, like, yes, now technology is going day by day, the requirement of the technology. And instead of that, our private school always teach the values of the entrepreneur as well, because in the government sector I don't think so they always provide the good things about the entrepreneurship. They always consider, like, yes, government, and everyone is know about, like, how government is corrupted. So the thing is that, and in the private school, that extra curriculum and as well as the smart classes always enhance your knowledge. The thing is that, because they always show, and the thing is everything is already practical thing. So this is my point of view. And yeah.
Okay, so ma'am, if I will tell you the demerit of the private school, the first thing is when anyone take the admission in private school, first they have to pay the admission fees. After that, they have to pay the fees of their dresses. Third thing, they have to pay the fees of their books. Means these things, all the things goes from 10 to 20,000. It is very hard for those students who are unable to teach their student in the private school. That's why they teach their most of the students in the government school, so that they can get the easy education, as well as the different policy of government which is implemented by our honorable Prime Minister, especially for the Ladli Yojana, and there are many schemes. So by the government school we are getting education, and it is more better than the private schools.
Okay, so let's start. So this is our last video of, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're doing very enjoy our performance, and that's it.